Let me take you on a beautiful journey of falling in love with your skin, with you, and with holistic facials. I want to give you a taste of the magic and the power of holistic facials. When it comes to skincare, it's tempting to focus on the appearance of the skin, on the look of the skin, that radiant, smooth surface that you see in the mirror. But I believe that beauty, a lot of the beauty that we experience outside, starts from within and spread outwards. This is the basic behind holistic facials and all my approach to facials at Pure. Its approach of beauty and wellness that it's actually becoming increasing popular more and more in the world of skincare. It's about inner love and peace and outside beauty. So what are holistic facials? So holistic facial not only aimed at improving the conditions of your skin, which they do big time, but they also balancing and harmonizing your inner being. These treatments recognize that the health and appearance of your skin are strongly linked to your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. So, for example, in the facials, I integrate, of course, natural ingredients, massage techniques, pressure points, energy work, sorry, total healing and relaxation to restore this balance. So the benefits of holistic facials starts from deep relaxation. We all need that in our life. Holistic treatments offer a deep, beautiful relaxation that goes beyond the superficial stress reduction. They help you reach a deeper level of relaxation, which is beneficial for your mental health, first and most a state of being that you can also reach in deep meditation, or at the moment before you fall asleep, when you like your analytical brain is shut down, hopefully. Your thoughts are like, disappearing. Hopefully that's the state you want to be before you go to sleep. Otherwise you cannot sleep. I'm sure we all been there. When you're relaxed, you are also more open to receive treatment and you will see better results on your skin. Holistic facial, of course, improve skin condition by using natural organic products. Holistic treatments can but they promote the overall health of your skin, and your skin will glow as gratitude. Holistic facial also will balance your emotions. This treatment focuses on emotional well-being through aromatherapies, the beauty of the oils, and relaxation techniques. They can help reduce anxiety, stress, and even depression. Balancing and regulating your nervous system, I think it's probably the most important key for anybody to learn, and it's a major key for beautiful balanced life, because when your nervous system are always aroused, always there's like this emergency fight or flight mode, you basically press down the good gene expression, the good cells living, let's say, for health, and you kind of let rise of the hormones of stress will rise the disease, kind of like in cells, the lower the immune system, up the diseases. Another benefit of holistic facial is self-awareness. Holistic facial encourages you to understand yourself more deeply, and become aware of your own needs and well-being, connecting to this place where you know that this is what you need now, and unapologetically go and receive it. That's a lot of self-awareness, and that's I think it's a big step of self-love. And it connects us, it gives this beautiful connection between the body that receives the treatment and the mind. And then you being like present in this world where you're relaxed and you receive and you enjoy with your senses, like I said, the smells, the touch, the everything. So it's really beautiful. What can you expect during an holistic facial? So each treatment kind of has its own theme, let's say. It depends on the energy that you bring with you. That's why my facials are tailored for you, are personalized. Like, I don't believe in one size fits all. We are unique, so every treatment is unique. So the energy that you bring, I can sense it and I can feel it the moment you walk in, and I can hear your words when we have always like this little talk before the treatment. Different treatment will create treatment ingredients or techniques will create a new balance for you. During a social during holistic facial you can expect the combination of the following elements. Opening. So you come in, you sit down, you land, and we talk. And when we talk, we kind of agree on your needs and intention for the treatments, and at the same time, you start to connect with the smells in the air, with the oils in the oil diffuser, or just in the room. And then when you kind of like more ready and feel that you are here and present, you go on the treatment bed. The first thing I will do is a gentle cleaning to clean the surface of the skin and analyze it. Then I can look with my light and see, okay, what we need today is attention on this and that and this and that. Everything you need is going to be in the package. It's never going to be only cleaning or only hydration. Whatever you and your skin will need today, it's going to be there. I'm going to use my massage and acupressure, sometimes acupuncture if you choose it. I use gentle massage techniques and acupressure to stimulate blood circulation and reduce tension during the facial and moving forward. I'm using natural, of course, the element of natural products, organic products that you use to nourish your skin without any harmful chemicals. I use aromatherapy, essential oils that we use to create, besides the emotional component like the calming environment, each one has a benefit for your skin, and I will use the one that your skin needs today. There's also the element of sound and music. I choose the music in the salon very carefully and with different frequencies and different sound element to put you in the right mode to receive. The importance of self-care, in our busy world, it's crucial, it's essential to make time for self-care. And holistic facial are another way, and they offer a wonderful opportunity to pamper yourself and invest in your well-being. They remind us that beauty isn't just about what you see in the mirror, but it's about how you feel inside. They help us to connect with this feeling inside and spread it outdoor. So it's the holistic approach to beauty that makes you shine from the inside out and is lasting. So if you have the chance, if you feel like this is the time to give it to yourself and you want to, you're very welcome. I will do my best to nourish your mind and body and soul, and you are welcome to book. And if you have any questions, I'm here for you.